What if your yoga mat faced the Pacific Ocean and the waves were your soundtrack? At Gran Pacifica, we invite you to reconnect with nature, with your breath, and with yourself. Starting this August, join us every Saturday morning for Yoga by the Sea. With Ximena, one of Nicaragua's most beloved yoga instructors. From August to October, we offer one class per week. In high season, November to January, enjoy 2 weekly sessions. We kick off with a special open house on Saturday, August 2nd. Yoga, sound healing, and brunch for just $19. Regular pricing starts at $40 a month for weekly classes. Drop-in sessions are $12 for residents and $18 for visitors. Spaces are limited. If you want to guarantee your spot, email us at reservations@granpacifica.com